Ever wondered how one kitchen can serve up gourmet burgers, authentic sushi, and vegan delights all at once? Welcome to the world of multi-brand cloud kitchens. The global cloud kitchen market is projected to reach $176.4 billion by 2033. Leading the charge is Rebel Foods, the world's largest cloud kitchen operator, managing over 450 kitchens across 10 countries. But why are multi-brand cloud kitchens booming? By housing multiple brands under one roof, they maximize efficiency, reduce operational costs, and cater to diverse customer preferences. However, the landscape is evolving. Companies like Reef Technology, once valued at $1 billion, are pivoting from ghost kitchens to grocery delivery. So, how can your cloud kitchen thrive in this dynamic environment? Embrace flexibility. Stay attuned to consumer trends, diversify your offerings, and be prepared to adapt your business model as the market shifts. For more insights into the future of food delivery, like this video and subscribe.